All right, June 1st, 2020, 2018 R1 comes back to Bauce Racing for its second dyno tune. Unfortunately, today I'm alone. I was supposed to come here with the owner of the 2020 R1, and due to the fact that they have no software for the bike, he could not come. But me, on the other hand, I'm getting a ton of stuff done. We're going to be making two maps here. We're going to update the pump feel map. We're going to make a second map for MR12, and hopefully test some velocity stacks on this R1. There are not a lot of velocity stacks available for this bike. We got the venturi stacks that we're going to be testing, and hopefully it can help with the mid-range and peak. We'll see what happens. We're just testing them. If they work out, I'll get them. If they don't, it's no big deal. Kind of ironic, we have the same white Dodge Ram that we took to Bauce last time. This is actually a Bighorn edition Hemi. Last time we had the regular V6 2019 Ram, but this thing's actually pretty cool. It's pretty peppy, decent on gas for a Hemi. A lot of space in the bed. My bike's extended, as you can see, 4 inches out over the stock swing arm there, so we had to have the tailgate open, but I think I did an okay job here. Got the Canyon dancers on so straps don't touch the bike. I actually got these the last time I was here at Bauce. And then I also got this Harbor Freight wheel chock. That actually worked out really nice. The bike was pretty secure the whole way here. I didn't have to tighten it up or pull over or anything. I was pretty confident that the bike would stay in place, and it did. It's about a two and a half hour ride out here. We're here real early, just waiting. We're gonna get the bike unloaded, and we'll get back to you when the bike's on the dyno. Hopefully she does good. We actually have the weather in our favor today, so I'm excited. It's full Graves exhaust, Sprint air filter, block off plates, flapper mod, velocity stacks, MR12, a recipe for at least 190 something horsepower. So we'll see. Get back to you soon.